Well, hello there, boys and girls. It's Mr. Mathman for the student debrief. We're going to review the partial product multiplication. So let's get right to it. Okay. Let's just take the numbers. Oh, I don't know. Let's go with and this don't copycats. You're just listening and learning. We'll say well, let's do it like this. I got a good idea here. We'll say 36. Watch this. Times about 22. So 36 times 22. All right, how are we going to do this? Let's make a area model first. So there's the area model. Just two partial products. That's all we're doing. So we'll put the 22 up here and the 36 down here. Oops, I'm going to get a smaller pen. Fits a little better. I didn't get much room. Okay. So let's think about this, okay? Can you see that okay? Let's zoom in a little bit. And there we go. So the 36 times the 22. And we're going to do two problems here to show you how this all works. We're going to take the 22 times 6, and we're going to add the 30 times 22. See how this works? I hope you see that. I see it. Okay, so we have 36 times 22. We're going to take a 22 and multiply it by 6. So 2 times the 6, what is that? That's 12, right? We put the 1 up there. So 2 times 6 again is 12 plus the 1. 10 would be 13 at 130. So 132. So we've determined right here that 6 times 22 is indeed 132. All right, so we got that down. Now let's look at the 30 times the 20 times the 22. 0 times 2 is 0, and the 3 times 2 is 6. So what we see right here is that it's 30 times the 2 equals 60, and that is the partial product. Oh, did you say parentheses? No, I said the partial products, Mathmat. I thought that you said the parentheses. No, I said partial product. It starts with the letter P, both of them. It's partial product. Both of the words start with the letter P. Do you know what they call that? Alliteration. Yeah, Mr. Leggett hasn't even taught his students that this year yet. But it's called alliteration when you have two words that they start with the same letter, like partial product. Or parentheses, power. Yes, you love the parentheses, don't you? Yes, I do. Thank you for coming by, Mathmat. You're such a very smart dog. All right, let's go back to our problem here. We have we've done the 30 times the 2. So now we're going to do 30 times 20, right? Right? 30 times 20. So we're just going to put the 0 here, right? 30 times 0 will be 0. Then 0 times the 2. And 3 times the 2. Think about like 3 times 2, 2 zeros left over, gives us 600. 0, 6, 6. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to add these all up to get the final answer. Okay. Oh, I forgot one thing. We forgot over here to put the 660, and we did 30 times 22. 660. Okay. Now, here we go. We can add these all up. The 132 plus the 660, right? What's this going to equal? Let's find out up here. 660, I like to put the bigger number up top, plus 132 equals, there's the 2, the 9, and the 7. So 792, it looks like. Now, let's just do the other way, the way Mr. Leggett was taught in school. He told me about this. In Germany, we were taught the same way. So we would just take the 22. Well, I like putting a larger number up top, but let's go ahead and do 22 times 36. Okay? 2 times 6 is 12, like we had over here, but we put the 1 10 up there. So 2 10s times 6 10s is 12 10s, but we add that 10 on, so it's 13 10s. We're done with that. Now, we go with the 2. We have a 0 right here, right? So we're multiplying by the 10, so we're just going to put a 0 right there, right? So then the 2 times the 3, right? Because there's 6. And we can cross that out, and 2 times 3 is 6. So there's the partial products right there. 132 and 660. We add, we get the 2. 3 to 6 is 9. 792. It looks like the answers are right all the way around. All right, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, I'm Mr. Mystery Mathman, saying auf Wiedersehen. See you next time on the student debrief, or maybe not. Now's the awkward time when I wait for the Screencastify to show up so I can hit pause in the recording. I select the Screencastify, then I wait a little bit longer. And you could just, Mr. Leggett says it's okay to just go ahead and join the third grade class, okay? Bye for now. Auf Wiedersehen.